Hey everyone, welcome back to Tacos Bee Casa. Today is going to be a really short video because we got to do a couple things and it's a special day. So, babe, happy anniversary. God has blessed us with 23 years of amazing marriage. Thank you for everything you do for our family and for our two kids. So, Steph, this one's for you. Today we've been down at my mentor's house collecting honey and frames, and then doing the entire extraction process so she could see how that's done. It was a pretty incredible trip. So therefore, today's video is going to be pretty short. But one thing we are going to do, one of the things my mentor told me to do was take a frame from the bottom of the brood box, put it in the top in the honey box, and then that will encourage the girls to build out the wax a lot faster, because they're like, hey, we've got brood in here. We need more wax because the queen, it kind of tricks them to think the queen's up there. And so they're like, queen's not going to be happy. And if mama ain't happy, ain't nobody happy, right? So, yeah, so that's what we're going to do today. It's going to be a quick video. I apologize for that. Next week, though, I will make up for it. I promise. I think you're going to want to tune in. It's going to be an amazing video next week, because I can almost guarantee you next week we're going to find our queen. I'm not going to give it away, but I think that's a thing. So tune in next week, because it's going to be a much longer video and probably way more exciting. Okay, but first off, I want to show you the state of the hive right now. As you can see, they're all kind of gathered on the front of the hive. And the reason for that is because they're what's called bearding. That could be a couple reasons for that. One, it could be because they're getting ready to swarm, but I don't think that's the case in this case. They've been in the sun all day, or the box has been in the sun all day. So I think what is actually happening is they're just hot. That's really all it is. And if you look, let me get in here close for you. If you look, you see those multiple girls that are down there flapping their wings like crazy. What they're actually doing is they're bringing air into the hive to cool it off. And the rest of these girls are just chilling, waiting for their turn, waiting for it to cool off, and so they can go back in the hive. I guarantee you, by the time the sun goes down tonight, they'll all be back in the hive, buttoned up, ready for bed. Okay, so like I said, here we are at the hive. We're gonna take these off. We're gonna take the honey super off, and we're gonna remove the queen extractor. Today's goal is not to find the queen, or at least if we do find the queen, we're going to pick another frame. We don't wanna use that frame. So what we're gonna do is just take this off and then bring one frame up to the top, and that will signal to the girls down below that, hey, come up here and start building some wax, because we're gonna need it, because the hive's expanding. So let's go. I'm not even gonna light smoke today. Today we are going to go commando, as I say. That's good. The Swiffer sheets are still there, and there's no hive beetles, so that's nice. Nice little bonus. I don't know if you can see this. I'm gonna see if I can get this for you guys. There's a girl up here, right at the top, right there. And she is furiously fanning her wings. Her job is to help with the airflow as well. So she's up there fanning like crazy, getting that airflow through there, cooling that hive down. Good job. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take one frame out and put that aside. And then we're just gonna switch a frame from down below under. I wanna check this middle frame because it's the one they were building out last week. They haven't made a lot of progress, but this one does have some wax on it that they've been drawing out. So we're gonna use one of these outside frames, which they're drawing out that one too. I got this one. Okay, there we go. That one's the most empty. So it does have a little bit of the comb being drawn out, but very, very minimal. So we're gonna use this frame. We're gonna take this frame out and we're gonna switch it with one below and bring one from below up top. They've got this top box propylized pretty good. So we're gonna take that. Move it over. And this is actually looking really nice down here. Again, guys, I'm not gonna be doing a full inspection today. It's gonna be very quick. Find a frame with brood on it. Make sure she's not on the underside. Yeah, I don't see it. Okay, I don't see her. She's not on here, so that's good. Okay, so we're gonna find a frame with brood on it. Just move that up to the top and then replace it with that other frame that I took out already. So I'm hoping one of these. Let's see. Let's try this one. I think this one had brood on it last week. Now we are gonna have to shake them. If the queen isn't on here, we are gonna shake them because we do not want her up top in the honey. Okay, so here we go. All this brood right here, we are going to put that in the top. I am 99% sure she is not on this frame. Just by the activity of the bees, I can pretty much tell. Because if you look, they're just doing their normal waggle dances, telling everybody what's going on, where to go, giving orders, doing their military thing. And there is a little bit of honey in here on this corner, right here where my finger is. So that's good. All right, so we're gonna shake these bees. I just want to get them off as much as possible. Get them back down in there, because these are the nurse bees. Put this back in. And we're going to get our queen excluder back up. Make sure we don't squish them. I forgot the Swift. Swift! All right, so there you have it. Quick, simple, and like I said, short video this week. Appreciate everyone being here. Again, happy anniversary to my beloved wife. And We will see you guys next week. Don't forget to tune in. I promise you, I think you're really gonna enjoy it. So thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm gonna leave you guys with some B-roll, but for now, Taco out.
Mm-hmm.